Welcome everyone. I will be giving you a very quick overview how to use AI Viral Downline to create automatic posts for your business or for your AI Viral Downline business. Let's get to it. Okay, that's not who referred you. If you see the wrong person's name, can go back. Otherwise, click to continue. It is going to prompt you. Here's our statements, etc., etc. What do you say? I agree. Great. So you do not need to pay and subscribe right away. You get a full free 7-day trial. So we're going for that. Just click no thank you and you're good. So here we are. Here's all the information you see in the beginning. We are not going to go crazy with this. I'm just showing you how to set up the automated post. So you go to products, AI posting tool. You do need to set up an account for this too. So log into the tool, sign up. Once you sign up, it automatically sends you to this page. They will email you. It tends to go to the spam folder. They have to work out the kinks of that one. But when they email you, if you're going to be advertising AI Viral Downline, here's the information. This is all you need to copy and paste. So this is already done for you. Then from here, or your email, you're just going to click AI Social Marketing Tool. So log in. Okay, and I'm going to save that password. It will save automatically every time that you're going to log in here. So from here, add my brand. Easy peasy. Again, if you're doing AI downline, put in that. I decided to go with a brand everybody knows. If you're using your specific website or your specific brand, you can type in the website here, copy paste it. If you want to, you can go to like ChatGPT, type in the prompt, can you please create a summary for me to post into an automated AI that's going to post content for me? It'll give you a good description. So from here, go to campaigns, and campaigns have a couple different options for you: image posts, video posts. I really like the image posts. They will be updating the content. For now, I chose Christmas sales. Why not? And then you choose the platforms that you're connected to. I'll show that to you while we're waiting for the campaign to populate. Get to choose where you go. So we're doing the weekly free trial, maybe. So why not go for the week? 7 days a week it will post. So it's going to generate prompts for 7 days of posts. Now, if you don't like any of these themes, go to the right. There's a renew button to get a brand new one. Then from here, you could choose either carousel, which I believe the carousels are 4 to 5 images, or single image. I like the single image ones, but the carousels do come out very nice. And here you see stock image or my images option. And you can move that bar so it kind of does like an average of the two if you like. And that's it. So that is literally as simple as it is to create the campaign. That was not even 2 minutes. And then it just needs to populate. So it'll probably take another couple minutes. You could also create a single post instead of creating a whole campaign, which is going to be a week or 4 weeks or anywhere that you choose. As far as brand content goes, you can change things like the color, the brand voice, who it's going to sound like what, how powerful it's going to be. You could add pictures of media or products and just add a couple new things. I like that it has target audience in there too. So on the left, connected accounts. As simple as it sounds, connect your accounts. The hardest part is remembering your passwords. So it has all these different ones: Facebook, Google Business, Instagram, X, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, LinkedIn. I think I said them all for now. I imagine they'll be adding more as new social media becomes popular as well. From there, so we can make single posts. Also choose from the prompts. How should we do this? Where should we post it? It's always going to ask you these things. Create the image, and these are created very quickly within about 30 seconds or so, and you can make unlimited number of them. From here, oh, you can see already that the campaign posts are generated because they're all showing here from your single post page. It's nice, the single post, you can schedule to post right away. So nice little bonus. And then let's say you don't like the words, you don't like the picture, you don't like just how it's arranged, you can easily modify every single little bit here to cater to how you like it. Honestly, I think these look pretty great. They do have a photo library. You can add shapes. You can do all that. You do not have to. It's as simple as they'll make it and you can post it right away. Pretty cool. So check out the campaign, unpublished for now. But you can scroll through, see what it created for you. Again, you can edit, you can change the words on the side, you can change the words in the image. I like to add my links, so I will often add my links into the post itself. Those all look pretty good. Let's say you don't like one, you can always delete one, the little garbage can over there, and it's all good. From here, publish, hit publish. I didn't connect my accounts just yet, so that's that. Then you go to your calendar and you see everything that is scheduled to post for the next week. Pretty awesome. And that's it. Hope that helps you out. If someone shared this link with you, make sure you get back to that person. Otherwise, my link is down below. If you want to check out the free trial, why not? Hope you enjoy. Any questions, just reach out. Thank you.